Hi everybody, Mrs. Knight here. I'm going to be going through with you guys today an example finding all of the information that you guys hopefully just watched and also that you should remember from previous lessons. So mean, median, mode, outlier, range, quartile 1 and 3, and then also the interquartile range. So first of all, I'm going to start off with just my data set. So let's say that we have something called job offers, and underneath it we have students. So what this is going to be about is how many students got how many job offers. So 0 job offers, we had 2 students that sadly got no job offers. 1 job offer, we had 2 students that got 1. 2 job offers, we have 4 students that got that. 3 job offers, there were 5 students that got 3 job offers. And then for 4 job offers, we only had 2 students. So what we're going to do is we are going to find all of the information, like I said. So the first thing I need to do is I am going to number 1, I am going to list out my numbers. And this is really important to do because it's going to help us find that median, it's going to help us find the mean, and it's going to help us just figure out more about the numbers, really. So listing out my numbers, I have 2 students that got 0 job offers. That means 0 came up twice. Then I have 2 students that got 1 job offer. So that means 1 job offer came up twice. And I'm going to continue on with this. So 4 that got 2 job offers. So 1, 2, 3, 4 students got 2 job offers. 5 students got 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 2 students got 4. Okay, so with this, first we are going to find the mean, which we call x bar. So we write that out that way. That is the mean. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add up all of the numbers and then divide by how many there are. So if you want to do that now, feel free to pause, add them up, and divide by how many numbers there are. If you did that, you should get 33 is the total, and we have 15 students in question. 33 divided by 15 gives us about 2.2. The next thing we are going to find is the median. And to find the median, what I am going to do is you are going to start, from the beginning and the end of the numbers now that we have them in numerical order, and we are going to count into the center. When I do that, so I don't really want to cross things off because I'm going to need to use them later, so I'm just going to put a dot above all of them just to kind of make it a bit easier. When I do that, I notice that this 2 is right in the middle. That means my median is 2. Next, we're going to get into the mode, and that is how many job offers occurred most often. You can figure this out from either just looking at your numbers you listed out or looking at the table. You can see that 5 was the most number of students that got a specific offer. So we see that 5 students got 3 job offers. So the number of job offers that came up most was 3. And again, you can see that here because we have 3 being the most common number that is there. We're going to get into the range, and the range is where you take the highest value and subtract the lowest. So the highest number of job offers was 4. The lowest number was 0. Subtracting those, we get 4 as our answer. For quartile 1, and I'm going to do this in a different color. For quartile 1, we need to find the median of the first half of numbers. So because we have an odd number of values, we have 15, right? What we are going to do is we are going to go on the side of the median then. So we do not count the median. So if I'm going from here, I have 0 and 2, and again, we're just counting in from the ends, and I notice that 1 is the number that I come up for the median for the first half, which we call quartile 1. If I go to the quartile 3, that means I'm finding the median of the second half, so the same thing, I'll use green for this one, excluding the original median. Counting my way in, I end up at 3. So that is my quartile 3 value. And then we need to find the interquartile range. And the interquartile range, all that is quartile 3 minus quartile 1. So that was 3, take away 1, which is 2. So that is how you would find all of the values for today's lesson.